Hey there everyone, in this video we will talk about how you can run models like DeepSeek locally in your system, which means that no data will go out from your system and you can also run it completely offline, which means that you can run everything without internet and you do not need internet. So let's see how we can do that. And I'm gonna make this process super easy, guys, so you do not need to worry about any kind of code or anything. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here now you can see my computer screen and I have opened this website, which is nomic.ai. And then here you can see I have opened one website. And not to worry, guys, I'm gonna also provide you this website link in the description of this video. All you need to do is you need to visit this page. Now you need to click on download for Windows. Okay. And let's say if you are using newer system that is running Snapdragon chip, then in that case you need to download this ARM version. In my particular case, I am using Intel CPU. So I'll be downloading this normal version. Now after I clicked on download, here you can see the download got started and completed. Now what I'm going to do here is I will be visiting this program and then let's make a double click on it and simply click on next. Again another next, accept the license, again click on next, install, and now let's wait for the installation to get completed. And there we go, we have successfully completed the installation. Let's click finish here. Now again, I'm gonna click on this Windows button. And now let me type here GPT for all. So this is the app that we have installed. So I'm just running it. And now it is up to us if you'd like to opt in for the following. In my particular case, I'm gonna say no. Now we have successfully installed it. Let's click on start chatting. And as we clicked on it, here you can see it says that no model installed. So now we're going to install DeepSeek. Let's click here on install a model. And there we go. Here you can see all different kind of models that are available here on this site. You can download it from GPT for all or even from Hugging Face. All you need to do is you need to search for the model. So I'm going to type here DeepSeek. Let's hit enter. And there we go. Here we can see this first model, which is around 40 gigabyte. Then this another model is 15 gigabyte and so on. We can also see the number of parameter that these models have. The original DeepSeek R1 have 470 billion parameter. So these models are kind of compressed version, I would say, of the original model. But I think they still will work quite well. So based on your requirement and your system performance, you can choose these models. Let me go back here in GPT for all, and here I think I would like to go with this DeepSeek Quen 14 billion parameter model. So let me click here on download, and then here you can see the process of download has begun, and the download size is about 8 gigabyte. And then you can also see its requirement. For example, the RAM requirement is 16 gigabyte. And then here we can also read about the licensing, which is open source. Then there is no restriction on commercial use, and then this model is good for reasoning. Now we will wait for the download to get completed. And there we go, it is about to get installed. And now seems like it is ready for use. Now let's click here on chat. And let's click here on load, and we clicked on load. Here you can see, and here we can see DeepSeek model is now loaded. Now all here we need to do is we need to ask question. For example, if A equals B, B equals C, then what is the relationship between A and C? Since this model was for reasoning, let's see how smart it is. Now it started thinking, which looks almost like the way it did in live DeepSeek. And there we go. We got the correct answer, which is A should be equal to C, as A equals B and B equals C. So that's how, guys, we can install DeepSeek into our system. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic, as we keep on bringing productivity topics like this in this channel. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.